Okay, hi guys, so today we're going to watch my video. And recently my YouTube channel got changed into Xbox Fantastic Pro 12. So people can easily see my YouTube channel. Now, I know my YouTube channel looks like that, so don't worry. But sometimes I do reactions like EAS alarms due to meaning emergency, A alert, and S system. Emergency alert system. Well, anyways, let's get to it. Probably there's some ads. Sonic 2, and this is the brand new movie on 21st April, which is today, is 17th. Let's watch it. And my favorite one is favorite. No. Your doll is coming to your house. Imagine you hear this at night, and like the doll will hunt you. The Argentina 1995. I don't know, guys. I don't know how to rate this. Bah! FNAF. Friday Night at Freddy's is coming to your house, yo. So you can have pizza party, yo. Okay, for that, oh my. This is more creepy than I thought, guys. I watched this before, guys. Hey, this is like Kuwait, 1991. If you want to watch, this is called Albert the Animator. I recently watched him from like when I was like 8 years. But now I'm 11. Yeah, I'm recently 11, guys. Yeah. I'm very sorry if you can't hear the last video. Well, this is the video that I wanted to show you guys, so people you will like it. But what is this? Weather Brunei was nice. But what is this? Don't worry, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.